Okay, so we're gonna be doing my nails today. Right now I'm wearing a press. If you want to know how to do a press, you can check out my YouTube channel, see how I do them. So the vibe that we're gonna be doing will be like a tropical look, like this. We have these colors that we're gonna use in a blended form. We're gonna be doing marble, blooming gel, and we're gonna be using this base color. It's similar to my natural skin color. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with this. I don't need to apply a base because I have a press. If I were using it on my natural nails, like nothing else, then I would have to use a base, but it's not necessary. Okay, this is the very first coat of this OP color. It's called Somewhere Over the Rainbow Mountains. It's so pretty, and this is just the first coat. Okay, this is after 2 coats of the nude I was talking to you about. And now is when the real magic starts. We're going to apply 1 coat of this and we're going to cure it for only 30 seconds. Normally we cure it for 60 seconds, but since we're doing marble, we're going to do 30 seconds. Okay, once we remove it from the lamp, we're going to give it another coat of this blooming gel. Okay, so now that we applied this last coat, we're going to start off with this pink 329 from Beetles. And then we're going to add this 328. Okay, we're going to do... Okay, it's coming out so pretty. Without curing it again, we're going to pass this orange color on top. I know it looks very bright, but it's gonna look very pretty. We're going to follow the same pattern we were using earlier. You could do this like freestyle, however you want. I want orange to be like the main one, you know? Then this one, I want like this. This here too. You see how it spreads as time goes by? That's what it's supposed to do. I'm just like dotting it lightly as I go. You see? It looks better as time goes by because it spreads. You see? Like that. Once you let it for a minute so that it fully spreads around, it should start looking like this. You'll put it in the lamp for 60 minutes. Okay, look at how beautiful these nails look. Okay, and this is just the beginning. Now we're going to add another coat of the marble, and then we're going to add white and this blue. You're going to see how beautiful it's going to come out. Okay, after we added another coat of this blooming gel from marble nails, we're going to add the white, this one. Okay, I'm gonna show you how we're going to follow the same pattern that we have. See, I'm like slightly tapping. It'll slowly start spreading. Okay, with the white, I really love how it's coming out. It looks very, very surreal. I think I'm going to fix the middle finger, but I'm not going to add the blue anymore. I'll just add this gold color to it and I'll be back. So far, this is how they look. Now I'm going to go and add some gold to them so they truly look marble. Okay, so this should be the final result. Here, you can really see it against the wall. So yeah.